The evolution of artificial intelligence and its impact on modern society. The artificial intelligence (AI) has gone from being a science fiction idea to becoming a transformative technology in recent decades. Since its early developments in the 1950s, AI has advanced by leaps and bounds, becoming integrated into many aspects of our life. The field of AI encompasses a wide range of applications, from simply automation system to complex deep learning algorithms capable of analyzing large volumes of data and predicting patterns with impressive accuracy. One of the first milestones in AI history occurring in the 1950s when Alan Turing, one of the faster on modern computing, developed the famous Turing test. This test aimed to determine whether a machine could exhibit behavior indistinguishable from that of humans, although the computers of that era were very limited compared to today. Turing concept set a clear goals for future developments in the field. As technology progressed, the 1970s and 1980s saw the emergence of expert systems, programs that could simulate the decision making of a human expert in a specific field, like medicine or engineering. This system uses pre-programs rules to solve specific problems, but their capabilities were limited by the lack of processing power and storage compared to today's standards. The real evolution in AI took place in the last 2 decades with the development of deep learning algorithms and the increases in computer processing capacities. Thanks to deep learning, AI can process and analyze large volumes of data, which is fundamental in applications like facial recognition, voice assistant, and autonomous vehicles. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Tesla have pioneered the adoption of this algorithm, bringing AI into fields like personalized advancing security and autonomous mobility. One of the most visible aspects of AI everyday life is personalization. Social media platform and streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to recommend content tailored to each user individual preference. This personalization has advanced as it offers a more satisfying personalized experience, but it also raises ethical concerns such as curation of information, bubbles, and the loss of privacy. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the economy and the labor market. In the manufacturing industry, AI-based automation allows for faster, more efficient production, reducing the need for human intervention in respective tasks. This led to increased productivity but also raises the uses of labor displacement, especially in jobs that rely on routine skills. However, AI has also created new jobs in areas like data analysis, algorithm programming, and AI project management, demonstrating that technology not only eliminates jobs but also generates new opportunities. The impact of AI in the medical field has been especially notable. AI systems can analyze medical data in real time, helping doctors make more informed and accurate decisions. Additionally, AI applications are being developed that can predict disease outbreaks by analyzing patterns in geographic and public health data, which has the potential to save thousands of lives. Significant advances have also been made in AI-assisted diagnosis, where deep learning algorithm analyzes medical imaging to detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. In the educational field, AI is facilitating personality learning. AI-based tutoring system can adapt to each student individual needs, providing exercise and recommendation tailored to their level of understanding. This can reduce the educational gap by offering resources adapted to different levels of ability and learning. Despite this advance, AI raises ethical and security concerns that cannot be ignored. The creation of autonomous systems poses the risk that they make decisions that could harm humans. Additionally, the use of AI in surveillance and facial recognition has raised concern about the loss of privacy and the potential for excessive social control. Many organizations advocate for stricter regulation of AI to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly, minimizing its potential risk. Looking forward, AI promises to continue evolving and changing sectors like business intelligence, personalized medicine, and education. However, it is crucial to find a balance between technological development and respect for human rights, privacy, and equity. This balance is essential to ensuring that artificial intelligence benefits society as a whole and not just the select few. Artificial intelligence has changed and will continue to change our life in ways that we cannot yet fully predict, from the convenience of smart homes to the power of analysis in medicine and the economy. AI is at the heart of an unprecedented technology revolution. The responsibility for its development and regulation lies in the hands of science, legislators, and society at large, who must ensure that this tool is used for the common good. Question and answer. 1. What was the first major milestone in the history of artificial intelligence? The first major milestone in the history of artificial intelligence was the Turing test developed by Alan Turing in the 1915. This test aimed to measure whether a machine could exhibit behavior similar to that of human. All the computers of that time could not pass the test. It set a fundamental goal for the development of AI in the following decades. 2. How has artificial intelligence impacted the job market? Artificial intelligence has had a significant impact on the job market, especially in the automation of repetitive, low skills tasks in manufacturing and other sectors. While it has displaced certain types of jobs, it has also created new ones in areas like programming and data analysis. The current challenge is to ensure that the labor transition is fair and that people can adapt to the new roles AI creating. 3. What role does artificial intelligence play in the medical field? In the medical field, artificial intelligence has improved disease diagnosis and clinical decision making. AI algorithm can analyze large amount of medical data, helping professionals detect diseases like cancer and early stage. Additionally, AI can predict disease outbreak by identifying patterns in public health data, which is crucial for prevention. 4. What ethical challenge does the use of artificial intelligence present? Artificial intelligence presents various ethical challenges, such as loss of privacy, job displacement, and the potential for autonomous decisions that negatively affect humans. Furthermore, the use of AI in surveillance and radical recognition raises concern about potentially excessive social control. These challenges have led to the need for appropriate regulation to ensure is used ethically and fairly. What role does 5. What role does regulation play in the development of artificial intelligence? Regulation is essential to ensuring that artificial intelligence development is conducted safely and ethically. A lack of adequate regulation can lead to abuses in AI usage, such as personal data manipulation or the creation of dangerous autonomous systems. Legislators must work with science to establish standards that protect society and ensure that benefit of AI reaches every young equity.